Hello, this is Deb for Many Things Crafted, and today I thought I would make a waterfall a thing to put inside my journal. The pages flip up like this, and there's lots of space to write in, and I didn't get this one cut quite straight, but that's okay. So what I did was I took 8.5 by 11 pieces of paper, and I started in the middle, the very first page, and I folded it down to where I wanted it, almost the width of a piece of this washi tape. And then I put the next piece over top. No, not that one. This one. And I put the next piece over the top and folded it over, and it automatically leaves one there and one there. Then I took this one and folded over to about the width of washi tape, and it leaves the same amount on the bottom. And then I put this one on the top because I thought it was pretty. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my stapler and I'm going to staple 2 staples just along the top, just to hold it together. And one over here. There we go. Because I'm going to cover them up with washi tape. Okay. So I have really skinny washi tape here, which, you know, I'm really not sure what to do with it, but I thought that would be pretty along there. And I think I will take this blue one, and I think I will put it along the top, right over the staples, just about like, whoops, like that. And then take my scissors and cut it off. I can fold the other ones over, but if I fold this one over, then the book will open properly. Yeah. So cut that off right there. Okay. Now I think I'll put this gold piece of washi tape. They don't have to match at all. So I will put that right along this bottom edge, like so. Trim it off. And I can fold this one over like that. There we go. Excuse me. So now I have a bunch of different kinds of washi tape here that I thought maybe I would use. This one's pretty. It's kind of Christmassy though. This one's unique. I will see if I guessed correctly in the width. Just try not to stick it over the one below it. That one would be good. There we go. Fold that over like that. And now we have that. So we'll just keep on going right on down the line. This one's really cute. It has little kitties. Kids, not kitties. Yeah, so I stick that one on there. Make sure it's not upside down, I suppose. Right, like dot. There we go. Fold that one over, like so. Right on. Okay, I like this one. This one's a whole bunch of different flowers on it. If I can find the, sometimes the trick is trying to find where it starts. Kind of sometimes feel with your fingernail. Where are you? It just blends right in. You can't even see it. Oh, there it is. I found it right there. There we go. So, we'll put that one right there. Okay. Whoops. Fold that one over. There we go. Now, excuse me, I have these purple, I think they're leaves, purple leaves. This is very eclectic waterfall. It's all different. Like that. I hope you guys are doing well and you're all out there playing with your papers, having fun. That's what life is all about, right? I think I made this one too skinny, so let's put this one on there. Untangled this mess. Yeah. It's quite the tangle. Okay. These are gold leaves. There we go. It's a good way to get rid of your skinny washi tape. And we'll fold that one over like so, Rudy. Okay, now I don't like that one. How about this one? It's got little kittens and balloons and suns and all kinds of things on there. Yeah, we'll put that one down there. Now we don't want to put the balloons upside down. They'll look like they're not floating properly, I suppose. There we go. This is a printer test page. I didn't want to waste it. Alright. I don't know how that ended up crooked, but it did. And the very last one, we'll put some purple hearts. There, I found the end right away pretty much. That was cool. I'll put some purple hearts down on the very last one. There we go. Like that. Okay, and then we will fold that one over. Like that. And there we have a really cute little waterfall. And they get bigger as they go down. Then you have lots of room to write in, draw in, put notes in there to yourself, all that kind of stuff. So we will find a page in my lace journal to put it. Let's see what we have here. Blue, blue. I have a lot of blue in this book. It's more or less butterflies and birds. More or less. Oh, that's a nice page. That's bumpy down there. Yeah. That would look kind of cool, I think. So, I will get my fabric glue. It was on the other side of the room. And we'll put quite a bit of glue. Thin, but a lot. All around the edges, in the middle. Close to the edge as you can. There we go. Okay. Whoops, almost dropped it. And we'll put that right there. And if you happen to get glue where you don't want it, before it's dry, you can just rub your finger along it, and it'll actually just roll right off. I learned that from Pam at the Paper Outpost. She is an awesome crafter. She makes really cool things. And she is what actually made me start thinking about making junk journals. I stumbled upon her one day on YouTube, and I watched her for like 3 hours straight, video after video. She just so enthralled me. Yeah, so she's one of my faves. This is kind of plain right here. So I thought maybe, since this is a lot about butterflies and birds, I have this one blingy butterfly left. So why don't we stick that on there? These are really, really sticky. So they don't really need any extra glue at all. See what I mean? And we'll just put that right there. What do you think? I think it's nice myself. Yeah, I really like that. Okay, now I have one more thing. Somewhere in here I stuck an envelope, if I can find it. Where are you, envelope? Hello? Maybe I didn't stick an envelope in there. I thought I did. I glued my fingernail to my finger. Ah. Alright, let me see. Envelope, envelope. Wherefore art thou, envelope? Oh, there you are. Right there. This is one I dyed with food coloring, and I just laid a little stencil on the top on it while it was drying, and that's the effect that I got. And then on the back, I just punched out this little border and put it on there to decorate the back. And what I thought I would do is glue the envelope flat to this page, and then when you open it, you have a place to tuck things. Yeah, so let's do that. There we go. Get this right. And don't put it exactly like right up to the fold. It'll bind it a little bit, so just give yourself a little tiny bit of room. But try to get it straight. Not like I did. There we go. We have a flip out. Nice. Okay. I do have a couple, 2 or 3 more pockets left. So I thought I would do that, but I just remembered I have this 3. So I thought this corner here was a little bit bare, so I thought I would just glue a 3 on there. Why not? Why not? It's the saying of the week. Why not? And I just have this old piece of curtain laying around, so I'll put that there. I'll just put some glue on the 3 like so, and plunk that down on top like that. There, a little bit fancier, I suppose. Okay, I have excuse me, these 3 pockets left. 1 fabric and 2 are made out of collaged cardstock. Yeah, so I thought, why not? There's that why not. Let's put them sideways facing in this time. I mean, you know, or we could put one sideways and one that way. That's kind of cool too. Yeah. Maybe this way, or maybe that way. Maybe facing each other. One upside down and one right side up. Nah. One that way and one that way. Or let's just do the traditional. Let's just do the traditional this time. Looks like this little piece of paper is peeling up, so I will fix that straight away. I remember it. A little glue under there. There we go. So, we glue 3 edges, both sides and the bottom. I remember one time I accidentally glued the top. It looked like a pocket, but it wasn't. Yeah. There we go. Put that one down there, like so. And then this one, same procedure. Like that. And we'll put that one right there. Like so. Okay. Oops. Stick. I say stick. Stick, stick, stick. Excuse me. I'll have this one. Fabric on fabric? Nah. Why not? Why not? I have a hot glue gun for this. My big hot glue gun I got from Amazon. A friend of mine actually gave me the battery, which was extremely nice. So I didn't have to go buy a battery. There we go. I find the hot glue really holds very well to fabric. And it's pretty much instant. It's like super glue. Only you really don't glue your fingers together with that. Okay. I had this really pretty picture that I cut out of a Victorian birthday book. That's what it was called. And I think I'm going to tuck that right inside this envelope, like that. Yeah, I will actually show you the Victorian birthday book. I found it at a flea market. It has never been used. It's got cool pictures, nice places to write about, you know, dates to remember, and it's just every page is so beautiful. I was almost leery to tear it up, but that's what I got it for, is to use the pictures. It's just stunning. Yeah, I'll put it up here where you can see better. Just every picture is so vivid and wonderful. I mean, you know, look at the detail. If you can see it. Absolutely fantastic. It's a shame that nobody used this book. I would be tempted to write in it. I actually got two books very similar. This one is the Victorian birthday book, and then this one is a Victorian address book. Got them both at the same place, and the pictures are very similar. So I have lots and lots and lots to work with. I am just eager beaver. Yeah, so cool. That was my find of the day, and what I paid for it was ridiculous. I paid 50 cents for both of them. 50 cents. Like, I don't think there was an original price on this book, but yeah, 50 cents. It even come with the jacket cover. It's pretty awesome. Yeah. So anyway, that's basically what I have time for today. I thank you extremely very much for joining me. Please like and subscribe if you're so inclined. And I also have an Etsy shop where I sell junk journals and fabric scraps, a little bit of ephemera, and things like that. So if you want to, you can check that out. If you're new to me, welcome. Hello, hello, hello. And if you've been here for my 1 month of being on YouTube, thank you very much. I appreciate you. And you guys, take care and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.